Question number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour, means for of an hour he had exercised for 3/6 fraction. Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Here also we have to see the comparison between these two person, that is Rafiq and Rohit, that who has exercised more. So how to do it? First you will mention Rafiq exercised the fraction, you will mention the fraction of the Rafiq, and then you will mention the fraction of the Rohit also. Now you have to do the comparison. So what you will do, 3/6 and 3/4 you will write. Now here, if you remember, in our previous video we have learned the rule. If numerator of two fractions are same, the denominator with lesser number with smaller number, that fraction is greater. So here in this question you may see numerators are same in both fraction, that is 3. So denominator which is having 4 number, this smaller number, so this fraction is bigger than this fraction. So your answer will be, who exercised more? This 3/4 was Rohit. So who exercised more? The answer statement you have to mention that Rohit exercised for a longer time. So this was your question number 9. In this way you all will do your question number 9. Let's move ahead with question number 10. In a class A, there is a class A in which total number of students are 25. From 25, 20 students passed with 60% or more marks, and in another class of B, total students are 30 and 24 passed with 60% or more. In which class was greater fraction of students getting with 60%? Means we have to do the comparison between class A and class B, and we have to see in which class more students have scored more than 60% marks. So similarly in question number 10 as well you will do the same thing. In class A, total students is 25. Students passed with 60% or more is 20. So first you have to convert it into fraction. For fraction we are asking about the students passed with more percentage, that will be kept in numerator, total students in denominator. Similarly for class B, in class B total students is 30, students passed with 60% or more is 24, already given in the question. You just have to make the fraction. So fraction is 24/30. जिस भी चीज़ की fraction पूछते हैं, that number will come in the numerator upon the total will come in the denominator. Again we have to do the comparison. So 20/25 is and 24/30. Now here denominators are different. So for that what you will do, you have to first find the LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator will be 25 and 30. You will do it in the rough column. You will find the LCM 150. Now you have to make the equivalent fraction as we did in exercise 7.3. So how to make? In 25, the table of 25, 150 comes 6 times. So multiply 6 to both numerator and denominator to make it equivalent fraction. Same you will do with the another fraction, that is 24/30. For that also you have to make the denominator 150, multiply 5 to both, as in table of 30 150 comes at 5th position. So you will get this fraction as 120/150. If you can see, you may see both fractions are coming 120/150 and 120/150. So in this question they both are equal. So your answer will be, in both classes equal number of students scored 60% or more marks, because both fractions are coming same. This was the lengthy method, finding out the LCM of two big numbers and then converting it into equivalent fraction. The other method is what you can do here, for in which you have written the fractions of both the class. You can reduce the fraction to lowest term also, like this 20 and 25. If I will divide these two numerator and denominator with 5, so it will come 20 divided by 5 is 4, 25 divided by 5 is 5. The fraction will come 4/5. Either you make the equivalent fraction or do reduce the fraction to the lowest term to get the lowest fraction. So here second fraction will also be divided by 6 because 24 and 30 both number comes in the table of 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4, 30 divided by 6 is 5. So here you may see 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. You will see 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. In this way also both fractions are coming same. So these are the two methods. One is this reducing to lowest term and the other was to make the equivalent fraction. These are the two methods. Anyone you can do and you can solve these questions. This was question number 10 of exercise 7.4.